So you just got your INAIR Pod, but you're looking for a better way to control it. Well, in this video, I'll show you a few third-party accessories that can help you do just that. Let's get into it. So let's start with gaming. The INAIR Pod works great with many standard Bluetooth setups. Like if you've got an old PS4 or PS5 controller laying around, you're covered. And you know, if you don't, there are some awesome options out there, especially the ones that I'm personally using from 8BitDo and VITURE that work great. And honestly, I actually recommend those. I mean, they pair easily and you're gaming in no time. If you have needs for better audio or more privacy, a good set of Bluetooth earbuds work great. Now, what about productivity? Well, if your main use case is typing out emails or notes, you can use a Bluetooth keyboard, either full size or, one of the foldable ones here. And I've tested a few of them and they all work like a charm. But honestly, the one that I would recommend is the one that's meant to be used with the Pod, and that is the official INAIR Touchboard. It has a few different shortcut keys like this quick AI key that are specific to this system, and it's nice to have. Now, here's where it gets really cool. What if you wanted a whole new way to control this experience? Well, if that's the case, the Mudra Link Neural Wristband is something I'm highly recommending that you check out. I've been using it alongside the Pod, and it is almost like having a form of basic hand tracking and definitely makes things feel more spatial. Now, the cursor can go a little rogue every now and then, but just like the Pod, you just shake your hand and it recenters. So it's a great pairing, and honestly, it makes the Pod feel even more intuitive and futuristic. I might even do a full video on just that combo alone, so let me know in the comments if that's something that you might want to see. Beyond that, if you're like me and you need this setup to last all day, you're going to want to power it up with a good quality external battery pack. Now, just remember, if you're using this with XR glasses or an external display source, you're going to need an adapter that routes both power and display at the same time. And one last, I guess you could call it an accessory, would be if you really want a big screen anywhere, you can connect the INAIR Pod to a portable or micro projector. Now, you can check out the video that I just posted recently on the channel where I show you just how to get all of that set up and how cool it is to use. So the bottom line, the INAIR Pod is cool on its own, but with the right accessories, it elevates the entire experience to a whole new level. So let me know if you've tried any of these combos down in the comments, or if there's something else that I missed and you want me to test. But as always, I will have links for the INAIR Pod, the VITURE glasses, and everything that you've seen here today that I personally use with this system. So, all right, I guess that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. This is Don, signing off.